Today we're going to look at 43 times 25. Okay, and when we have a two-digit, sometimes sum, we have to do something, we call it expand. So we're going to expand. What number is in the tens place in 43? Alex? Can you say it? 4. Okay, so this would be 40 plus, what number's in the units? 3. Okay, so we have 40 plus 3 times, okay, what number's in the tens place in 25? 2, so what do you think I would write here? 20 plus 5. Okay, what would we do first? Okay, so we would do, okay, but before we write any more, I want to show you how I can build this. Okay, because actually we're not going to do 40 times 20 first. Okay, so first I'm going to say, how many is in each of these? 100, right? This is 10 by 10, so 100. Okay, so I'm going to just build in a square. Now I have 40, so I have to have 10, 20, each of these is I'm gonna have 4 rows because I have 40. And then you said 40 times 20, so how many do you think I should go down? 2. Okay, so I go 4 across because I had 40, and then 2 down because I had 20. Okay, so we said 40 times 20, and then what would we do next? 3 times 20. Okay, and then what would we do next?
40 times 5.
40 times 5 plus
3 plus 5.
3 plus 5. Oh, sorry, 3 times 5, yeah. 3 times 20. So here's our 20 row. Okay, so we said 3 times 20, so I need to give this one 3. And I need to give this one 3. Okay. And then I said 40 times 5, so how many do you think each one will get? 5. The 3 times 5. So I'm going to put it in this little box because these are these little pieces and they're hard to keep still. So look, here I have, so you want to follow these rows. Here I have 3 and here I have 5. Okay, so I'm going to build 3 rows of 5. Okay, now let's do the math. What's 40 times 20? 800. Okay, so we're going to do the math underneath here. Look here. Let's count. Let's count how many we laid out. Okay, 100, 200, oh, are we right?
Yes.
Yes. So now let's look at 3 times 20. So these are 3 times 20.
60.
What's 3 times 20? I heard it.
60.
60. Okay, let's look here. Count with me. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. So were we right? Yeah. So now let's look down here. This was our 40, so 40 here times 5. Okay, so 40 times 5 is 200. So let's count and see if we're right. So let's count by tens. 10, 30, 40, 50. Were we correct?
Yes.
And then what's 3 times 5?
15.
15.
The smallest number.
Okay, and then if you look here, let's count our little beads. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So were we right?
Yes.
So now what do we have to do with all these numbers?
You add them.
You add them. So just come over to the side of your paper.
Okay, so that's
Okay, what's 6 plus 1? Okay, and what's 8 plus 2? 1,075. And then if I want to check, okay, did I do that right? I can look here. So I had 800, right? And then 850, 900, 950, 1,000, right? 1,010, 20, 30, 1,060. I heard it there. And then 1,060.
1,075. Yeah,
Right.
plus 10.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 1,075.
Check, that was awesome.
Okay, cool.